Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, is this you or is this you? In this video, I'm going to be sharing this hair treatment with you guys that is going to take your hair from that to this beautiful luscious hair that you can see. My hair grew even faster than I ever thought because of these amazing treatments that I share here on my channel. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join this journey with me where I'm going to share all of my hair treatment recipes with you guys. So today I'm going to be making my clove oil. Now I've been using clove oil for a very long time, but I just thought to make the video to share with you guys. All you'll be needing for this hair treatment is your cloves. Clove is packed with so many, very many amazing ingredients to take care of your hair, to help your hair grow, to help your hair stay healthy, to help your hair grow fuller and thicker. It's going to help reduce breakage, it's going to stop hair fall, and the moment your hair stops breaking, the moment your hair stops shedding excessively, you are going to grow long and fuller hair. So that's the main reason why I'm preparing this clove oil once again to share with you guys. So all I went ahead to do was to take 2 tablespoons of my clove. You could use the cloves in whole buds, or you could go ahead to blend them just for faster infusion, just like I did. So I went ahead to blend this into a very smooth powder, though not very smooth. You could just go ahead to crush them with a mortar or a pestle or something, and then go ahead to add your carrier oil to this. We'll go ahead to talk about the benefits of cloves for the hair. Cloves help promote healthy hair growth. The compound eugelon found in cloves help promote hair growth when applied to the scalp. So you see, when you apply cloves oil to your scalp, it helps promote healthy hair growth on your hair. Cloves also help add shine to the hair. When you apply clove oil to your hair, it acts as a natural conditioner to your hair. It helps lock in moisture for a longer time. It curbs hair loss. It cleanses the scalp and soothes the scalp really well. It also helps prevent premature hair growing. So you can see that clove is packed a lot of amazing benefits for your hair. Clove is not just beneficial for your hair alone, it also very beneficial for your health in general, for your scalp, for your skin, for your health, and every part of your body. So taking cloves tea as well is also very beneficial, and it also aids with weight loss. So after blending my cloves, I went ahead to add it into this jar. I added about 8 tablespoons of my Pierce baby oil. You could use any carrier oil of your choice. You could use olive oil, you could use coconut oil, you could use any oil of your choice, just about any oil. And then I went ahead to add 2 tablespoons of my sunflower oil into this. Now because I'm making cloves oil, I didn't want to add any other essential oil, but you could go ahead to add essential oils if you so desire, but I did not add any into mine. I stirred this up and I covered this to infuse for days. I left this to infuse for close to a month and 3 weeks. You could do this immediately, like to get your oil immediately, by doing a double boiling method, or covering up for 2 weeks or even a week as you so desire. But like I said, after 3 weeks, this was what I was having. I wasn't ready yet to use the oil because I was still applying chibi infused water to my hair, and I did not want to mix up the treatments whatsoever. So I went ahead to leave this for another 3 weeks. Now you could sieve your oil after 3 weeks. It is ready at that time, but eventually after a month and about 2 weeks, I went ahead to sieve my oil. This does not mean that my oil has not been ready. It has been ready. I just decided to leave my oil to continue infusing because I wasn't ready to use the clove oil just yet. So just when I was ready to use it, I went ahead to sieve the clove oil and I transferred it into this my old Glitters Hair Wonder oil bottle, and Because it's no longer a glitters oil, I decided to take off the sticker on it, so when I'm using it I won't have to start explaining, oh, it's no longer a glitters hair wonder oil. Stuff like that. So I just went ahead to take that off, and I went ahead to apply it to my hair. So after washing my hair was really moist, so I felt like sealing in the moisture that I had in my hair. So I went ahead to apply my Mega Growth leave-in conditioner just to keep the hair moisturized, like more moisturized. And I went ahead to twist my hair in sections as well after detangling my hair. Like, I felt like this was just the perfect hairstyle to wear. So I went ahead to moisturize each section, and that was basically it for this entire treatment. So what I did with the clove oil, remember, it's a perfect oil to seal in moisture. So I went ahead to use it to seal in the moisture I had on my hair. And guys, you will not believe how moisturized this had left my hair. My hair is so super moisturized, and I am loving what this oil is doing for my hair. Clove oil goes a long way to stimulating hair growth. So if you have bad patches on your head, areas you have tried using treatments on before and they have not worked, you could go ahead to apply clove oil on those areas and massage those areas daily, and trust me, you are going to see massive results from using it. So this is it for me for this video. Please go ahead to hit the red subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be the very first to get notified whenever I post new videos. Do not also forget to apply this to your scalp like you see me doing in this video. And also remember to seal in the moisture on your hair, as it perfectly locks in the moisture in your hair. Bye guys.